YouTube, Gallagher123123 back with a video we haven't done in a while, back with another Victor Reader Trek video. It's been a good while since I've done one of these. I think the last one was when we looked at Bluetooth back in December of 2017, so it's overdue, but I'm back. And of course since then, a few software updates have come out, so I'll be covering some of those features, but today, there's actually another update out that I haven't installed yet, so I thought it wouldn't hurt to do a quick video on the update process for the Victor Reader Trek. Now, this process is very much like the Victor Reader Stream, but, I figured it still wouldn't hurt to show it. I did show the Stream's update procedure back in 2013, so it's, gonna sound familiar, but we'll do it anyway. I already have my Trek turned on, and off to the side here, I do have a power micro USB cable so that we can power this when we need to. So to start, you need to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and that airplane mode is off. I currently have airplane mode on, so we're going to turn that off by pressing and holding the online key, which is just above the number 2.
Airplane mode off.
Now it said the airplane mode is off, and you will see that there is a flashing light. And once it connects, it will tell us and go steady.
Connected to Wi-Fi.
And it should now.
An update is available for your player. Press the online button to toggle to the online bookshelves. Once there, press 7 to start the update.
And I was just going to describe that. It now told us that there is indeed an update available. So we're going to do what it said. We're going to press that online features button and press the 7 key. So that was the automatic update mechanism, just letting us know if there was an update that was found for our Trek. So I will go ahead now and press the online key.
Online bookshelves. Podcasts. 18. Podcast feeds. 18.
Z. Using various technologies from a blind person's perspective. David Woodbridge.
And now that we're
1.
there,
New episode.
I will go ahead and press 7.
An update is available for your player. Do you want to download it now? Press the confirm key to confirm, or any other key to cancel.
The Trek is now asking us, well, it's telling us that an update is available, and is asking if we'd like to download it now. Of course, we do, so I'm going to press the confirm key, which is pound.
Confirmed.
That's it, confirmed.
Please wait.
And it will start to download the update file. Now this can take a while.
Please wait. Downloading update file. Please wait. 1%.
It has now confirmed that it is in fact downloading.
Please wait. 4%. Please wait. 8%. Please wait. 12%. Please wait. 16%.
And now, since I know how to edit, I am going to come back with you when
Please wait. 21%.
we reach about, we'll say about 90, thereabouts, so you can see
Please
the
wait.
process finish.
25%.
So I'll be back. Okay, we are now at 89%.
Please wait. 93%.
And we're back so we can hear what happens.
Please wait. 98%. Download completed. You can now upgrade to version 1.3.6. Do you want to update now? Press the confirm key to confirm, or any other key to cancel.
Okay, so it has now let us know that the download was completed, and that we can now upgrade to version 1.3. And it's asking us if we'd like to do so. Well, this progressed quickly enough, I think we should do it. So we'll press confirm.
The player will now restart to install the update. Please wait.
And has advised us that it will reboot. and it just vibrated, so it's coming up.
This version 1.3.6 fixes the search feature not working in some cases on Bookshare. It also addresses issues in retrieving a book's synopsis in Bookshare.
Please have your adapter plugged in now. Please have your adapter plugged in now. Please have your adapter
Okay,
plugged
so
in
it's
now.
now
Please have your
frantically telling us to
adapter
plug in
now.
the adapter. So I'll grab my micro
Please have your
USB and plug
adapter
it in.
plugged in now. Please have your adapter plugged in now.
I'm coming.
Please have your adapter plugged in now.
And
Update to version 1.3.6. Beginning the update process. Don't power off Victor Reader while updating. Validating update files. Please wait.
so it's now validating, it told us it's upgrading, and it's saying it's validating
Validating update files.
the update files.
Please wait. Validating update files. Please wait. Validating update files. Please
And as
wait.
you heard before it started, it told us what was new with the update. So you got an idea of what has changed.
Validating update files. Please wait. Validating update files. Please wait.
Okay, so I'll now add it to the actual install.
Installing update files. Please wait. 41%.
Okay, so we're now installing update files.
Installing update files. Please wait. 53%.
And this is moving right along. Again, I'll come back when, we're towards the
Installing
end.
update files. Please wait. 61%. Installing update files. Please wait. 99%. Your Victor Reader has been updated to version 1.3.6. Victor Reader powering off.
And we are now updated according to the friendly voice on the Victor Reader Trek. So let's check it. And again, sorry for the video at the end there. Didn't think it was going to move that quickly. But you did hear the announcement at the end. So I will now go ahead and I'll turn on the Trek. There it goes.
Welcome to Victor Reader.
Z, using various technologies from a blind person's perspective. David Woodbridge.
Connected to Wi-Fi.
To celebrate 10 years of voiceover on the iPhone since June 19th, 2009 when it was talked about in the 2009 WWDC, here is my original orientation demo of the iPhone 3GS with voiceover.
Okay, so now to kind of see, to double check, we'll press the info key, which is number 0.
Please wait.
To celebrate 10 years of voiceover on the iPhone since June
Again.
19th.
Info.
Z, using various technologies.
And I'll
About
press
Victor
4.
Reader. Version 1.3.6. Model 513. Trek 4. Cancelled.
And that is the Victor Reader Trek update process. Again, very straightforward. It talks you through the whole thing, but I thought it'd be a good idea just to put that on video and show how it works. So, if you found this demo helpful, and stay tuned to the channel, more to come. Thank you for watching.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe for more, and feel free to comment. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, @Gallagher123123. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.